The 80386 microprocessor was a game-changer in the 80s, and now its microcode has been disassembled, giving us a glimpse into its inner workings. This is a significant development for tech enthusiasts and historians. The disassembly process was complex and required careful analysis. Oura, a popular fitness tracker, has revealed that it receives government demands for user data, raising concerns about privacy and security. The company has not disclosed the number of requests it receives, sparking debate about transparency. This is a crucial issue in the age of wearable technology. Deep learning is a key aspect of AI, and understanding its principles is essential for building effective models. A new approach to deep learning focuses on first principles, allowing developers to create more efficient and accurate models. This has significant implications for AI applications. The Z386 is an open-source 80386 microprocessor built around original microcode, offering a unique perspective on computer architecture. This project demonstrates the power of open-source development and community collaboration. The Z386 has the potential to inspire new innovations in tech. ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we think about organic traffic, and its potential for content creation is vast. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, creators can reach wider audiences and produce high-quality content more efficiently. This is an exciting development for the tech industry. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see significant advancements in content generation and writer tools. Top AI tools like LimeWire AI Studio are transforming the landscape of content creation, making it easier for developers to produce high-quality content. This is an exciting time for tech enthusiasts and creators.